Wanted to make a quick video of this old outboard I bought from a guy the other side of Moncton. First of all, there was a mouse, had to be a mouse nest in it right full. Look at all the paint off it. Somebody put a flywheel on it that had either spun or else it was the wrong flywheel. It was going down too far. He said it had no fire. That's as far as he went. I took the flywheel off and there was no upper oil seal, crank seal, and there was no ring for the lobe. It has a lobe, the ring has a lobe on it for running your points. It was gone. Somebody tightened the flywheel down too tight and broke that ring and just threw it. Whoever. Put the carburetor in my sonic cleaner and cleaned it. And there was just all kinds of stuff wrong with it. Somebody put another magneto plate on it and it's got the wrong thing in the front here for running your throttle. I've got another one of them. Here's the flywheel off it. I don't know whether that's off of something else or else it's spun or whatever, but the hole's too big. Anyway, she was full of mouse piss is what does that. Takes the paint all off them motors. I'll give her a little flip here and lay this down for a second. Pumping good water. Sounds great. It's got 122 and 122. That's really high for one of them. Rusty plugs in it still work. Idle's perfect. She's a mess, but it works great. So, I guess it wasn't such a big trick after all. That is it.